In this tip, we'll see a few examples for sorting iterables based on a key. First, let us look at an example for default sorting. Suppose I have a list of numbers, and if I use sorted of nums, it should give me numbers in ascending order. Instead, let's say I want to sort these numbers based on the absolute value. So 0.2 should come before -1, -4 and 4 should be treated as equal, and so on. So in such cases, we can use the key argument and we can pass a function name. In this case, there's already a built-in function called abs, and you can see in the output the numbers are sorted based on their absolute values. These three numbers are deemed equal and they will be in the same order as was seen in the input. Next, let us see an example of sorting based on the length of an element. So we need to pass len as the key, and let us also reverse the output. So the longest word should come first and shortest word should be at the last. Next, let us see a few examples by passing lambda expressions instead of using built-in functions. First, we'll see how to sort dictionaries based on values. So this is a sample dictionary. When you iterate over a dictionary, you will get keys in each iteration. So first, let us see how we can sort vehicles and get only the keys based on ascending order of values. So sorted will pass the dictionary. When you iterate over dictionary, you get key in each iteration. So lambda, we get key and we can sort it based on the corresponding value. So vehicles of K. Doing so will give you only the keys. What if we need dictionary as the output? There are several ways to do it. We will see how we can use vehicles.items. So when you iterate over vehicles.items, you will get a tuple in each iteration with key and value. So let's build our sort function vehicles.items. We get a tuple in each iteration, and the second element of the tuple will have the value for each key. But we need a dictionary output, so we can pass this to dict function. Let us see one more example. So this is a tuple of file names. We want to sort it based on only the extension part of the file names. You can use the string method rsplit to get the extension part. So for example, rsplit dot is the character to which the string will be split, and we can limit to maximum 1 split. rsplit makes it split on the rightmost dot character. So for example, if you have a file like tick.tag.to.py, and if you apply this rsplit, you can see there is only single split on the rightmost dot character. So now let us apply this to our sorted function files lambda. We get a file in each iteration. On that file, we can apply this rsplit. This gives a list of 2 elements and we need only the second element. So We can use 1 or we can use -1 to always get the last element. And so we get the output sorted by the extension. Hope you enjoyed this